Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Now, I know what you're thinking. Electric cars, they're the future. They're all about, not doing maintenance, right? Well, not exactly. See, while EVs definitely need less maintenance than your typical gas guzzler, that doesn't mean you can just completely ignore it. Oh, no. Today, we're your pit crew, here to walk you through the essential maintenance tips that every EV owner, whether you're rocking a Tesla Model S or a Nissan Leaf, absolutely needs to know. We're talking about the stuff that'll keep your EV running smooth, efficient, and most importantly, out of the shop. So buckle up, grab your metaphorical wrench, and let's get this EV maintenance party started. First up, we got to talk about software updates. And no, I don't mean just making sure you have the latest Spotify playlist downloaded. EVs, they're basically rolling computers, and just like your laptop or smartphone, they need regular software updates to stay at peak performance. These updates aren't just about adding fancy new features or tweaking that user interface, although those are definitely a bonus. No, these updates can actually improve your EV's range, charging performance, even how the car drives and handles. So the takeaway here is this: when your EV says there's a software update available, don't ignore it. Download that bad boy, install it, and enjoy the benefits of having the latest and greatest software running your electric chariot. All right, let's talk about the heart and soul of your EV, the battery. Now, these lithium-ion powerhouses are incredibly durable, but that doesn't mean they don't need a little love from time to time. The biggest enemies of EV batteries: extreme temperatures. Excessive heat or cold can really do a number on their performance and lifespan. So if you live in a particularly hot or cold climate, it's worth considering parking your EV in a garage or shaded area whenever possible. Another key tip is to avoid constantly charging your battery to 100%. Yeah, I know that range anxiety is real, but consistently topping off the battery can actually wear it down faster. Most experts recommend sticking to a 20 to 80% charge range for daily driving. Now, this one might seem obvious, but trust me, it's worth repeating. Tire maintenance is just as crucial for EVs as it is for any other vehicle. But there's a catch. EVs, with their instant torque and often heavier weight, can wear down tires faster than their gasoline counterparts. So, what does this mean for you? Well, you've got to be extra vigilant about checking your tire pressure regularly. And, underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, which can seriously eat into your EV's range. And don't forget about tire rotations. Just like with a gas car, keeping those tires rotating ensures even wear and tear, extending their lifespan and keeping your EV's handling sharp. Okay, here's something that might surprise you. Even though EVs use regenerative braking to recapture energy, you still need to pay attention to your traditional friction brakes. Regenerative braking is awesome, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't handle all the stopping power, especially during hard braking. That's where your trusty disc brakes come in, so make sure you're getting those brakes checked regularly, just like you would with a gas car. Have the brake pads and rotors inspected for wear and tear, and get that brake fluid flushed and replaced according to your EV's recommended maintenance schedule. Last but not least, let's talk about the cooling system. Now, I know what you're thinking. Doug, you said this was about EV maintenance, not my refrigerator. But hear me out, folks. EVs, especially those with liquid-cooled battery packs, rely on a cooling system to keep all those electrical components operating at their optimal temperature. Over time, coolant can break down and lose its effectiveness, so it's crucial to have it flushed and replaced according to your EV manufacturer's recommendations. And be sure to keep an eye out for any leaks or signs of overheating. So there you have it, folks. Those are the essential maintenance tips to keep your EV humming along like a well-oiled, or should I say well-charged machine. Remember, electric cars may be the future, but they still need a little TLC from time to time. By following these simple tips, you'll not only extend the life of your EV, but also ensure optimal performance, range, and safety for miles to come. And hey, a well-maintained EV means more money in your pocket and less time at the mechanic. Who doesn't love that? Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your EV running smoothly. See you next time.